Hello friends and welcome to AKS Tech. So today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the premium version of Adobe Lightroom. But before starting the video, let me tell you that you must not skip this video and watch this video from start to end very carefully and follow each and every step as it is. So here on my screen you can see that Adobe Lightroom has already been installed, but it is the same free version which you download from Google Play Store. Let me open it. Here you can see that when I will tap this premium features option, he will ask me to buy it. So I will close this application now and I will uninstall this application here. And as you can see that I have uninstalled this application. Now open your browser and go to this link. And you need not to worry, this link has already been given in the description. After opening the link, you must click on this I am not robot option and then press verify. Then you must click on this click to continue option. Then you must have to wait for 5 seconds and then click on this get link option. After pressing this get link option, you will be redirected to the downloading page. Just tap on this download option and your downloading will start automatically. But before the downloading starts, you can see that I have been shown this warning that this type of file can harm your device. Do you want to keep Adobe Lightroom? So you need not to worry, it is not a virus, just ignore the warning and tap OK. So as you can see that my downloading has started now. I'll go to the details. Until the downloading completes, if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel so that you may get notifications of my upcoming videos. So friends, as you can see that the file is downloaded, I'll just open it from here directly. So here you can see that he has shown me the installation option. But on some Android devices you must have to check that unknown sources option before you can see the installation option. As I have already checked that option, so he has not shown me that option. So now I'll tap install. And here you can see that the installation has started. It may take a little bit of time depending on the performance of your device. So friends, now you can see that the app has been installed successfully. I'll just open it from here directly. So first of all you must accept it and let me skip it first. So here you can see that there are multiple options like signing in with Adobe account, with Google account, with Facebook or with Apple ID. But here is a very important step, that you can only sign into this application with your Adobe account. Do not use Google, Facebook or Apple account. If you do not have an Adobe account, click sign up. As I already have an Adobe account, so I will tap sign in. So now he is asking me for the email. So have I entered the email? I will tap continue here. And now for the password, I've entered it as well. Continue. Now you can see that he is signing in with my Adobe account. So here you can see that I have signed in this application successfully. And here you can see that under my name and email address you can clearly see you are subscribed. And when I will tap this premium features option, then this time there is no buying option and all the premium features have been unlocked successfully. And that's all. If you still have any difficulty while installing this application, feel free to mention in comments, or you can also DM me on Instagram. And if you like the video, do share it with others and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.